I'm Kyle Barker with Central Texas Technology Solutions, and we are here today at Mel's Lone Star Lanes. We are doing a CTTS Charity Bowling Challenge, and we have here with us today is Mike and Blanca Becheret with Capitol City Janitorial, and we're challenging there today. We are going to be playing for the Caring Place. It's a local charity here in Georgetown that helps with families with paying their rent, with utilities, with food, with medical assistance. And so that's who we're playing here today. Blanca, who are y'all playing today for?
We're playing for a charity called Be Lydia. It's a local Austin charity that helps with human trafficking.
Fantastic. Well, we're so happy to have Capitol City Janitorial with us today. And good luck to y'all. It's going to be a best of 3 competition. And so let's lace them up, rack them up, and let's ball. All right.